Alright, a little preview of what's in the factory right now. I've got a bunch of R1Ms getting ready to go out for powder. I've got a whole bunch more 16s and 18s getting ready to go on the floor. Just came back from powder. And got another container going out tomorrow. I've got a bunch of C8s in the crates. These 16s are all getting cleaned and then final tests, and they'll go in the crates. Got Model 12s in the crates, more C8s that are going in crates. 24s, we're trying to put in the crates, but somebody measured the wood wrong, so we got to change the pallets. And here's a bunch of high tones in the crates and more that are getting ready to go in the crates. And that's the container right there. Look at all those feed dogs. It's a nice little batch, but it's not quite as nice as this batch. It's 4 deep. And they're about ready to go out for plating.